a conversation between two friends about computer games. Let's have this conversation together. I'll say the blue lines and you will say the green lines. Let's begin. Hey, I noticed you were playing something on your laptop yesterday. What game was that? I've heard about it, but I haven't played it much. I mostly stick to FIFA and Minecraft. I love football, so FIFA is a must for me. And Minecraft lets me be creative and build things. That's true, but don't you think playing these high-action games for too long can be a bit stressful? Sometimes I just like playing something relaxing like Ludo or chess. Yeah, I have seen that. Professional gamers are earning millions through tournaments and sponsorships. But don't you think gaming for long hours can affect our studies? I mean, it's fun, but we need to manage our screen time too. That's a smart approach. Some of my friends spend 5 to 6 hours a day playing, and it's affecting their health and studies. I think having a gaming schedule is important. Yeah, that's a good habit. I also try to do other things like reading, exercising, or spending time outdoors instead of being on the screen all the time. True. Minecraft, for example, improves creativity and planning. Even some historical games like Assassin's Creed teach a lot about world history. Sounds like a plan. But let's keep it under control. Best of three? Could you follow the conversation? If not, let's start from the beginning again. If you could, let's proceed to the next video.